Here's 9B. Mr. Johnson's class had 36 students. That's a lot of students. 15 of them are girls and the rest are boys. How many boys are there? Remember, you need to draw a math drawing, a number bond, a number sentence, and you need to complete the statement with your answer. So this is a statement. Listen again to the story. Mr. Johnson's class has 36 students. Of those 36 students, 15 of them are girls and the rest are boys. So 15 students are girls and there's 36 students in all. How many of the students are boys? Make sure you show me a math drawing, number sentence, number bond, and complete the statement.